Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are jumping back into the DIY auto repairs with the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan front brake pad and rotor replacement. Make sure you leave all your questions in the video description down below, and if this video helps you, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe for even more DIY auto repair right here on the channel. Let's jump in it, everyone. To do your front brakes, you're going to need the 21 millimeter with half-inch drive, a T30 torque drive, a T45 torque drive, and a flathead screwdriver to help with that pressure spring. Alright, so here we are on the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. We are doing the front and rear brakes. As you see, my front brakes are past due, but this was a vehicle I picked up for $750, so I'm not surprised that the brakes are needing due, so it's cool. All right, so we went ahead and added some WD-40 already. We do have the suppressor spring right here on the front, adds a little pressure to that brake pad there. We are replacing that janky looking rotor today as well. We are going to need a torque right here, thinking like T20, T25. I will add into the video which exact one it is because I got to get it done. We got the two big bolts on the back which hold the bracket to the actual frame, actual car. That's a 21 millimeter. We're going to take that off, but we also have the smaller bolts right here, which we're going to figure out which ones those are as well. So just so we are noted on the spring in the front, that is needed. It's crucial. Do not forget to add it back in. Your new brake pads should have it as well. If not, get the ones that I got. I'm putting them in the link in the video description down below. It comes off of Amazon, but it's a great company, and you're going to see in the video how these babies look when they're done. I mean, besides a car wash, it's going to look pretty nice. So let's get to it. And here we go, the brand new ones compared to the old ones we just took off. Make sure you put that set screw in the same spot. It was a T30, and really easy. Once you get that off, just give it a little tap from the back and it should pop right off. Get the new one on, and we're going to go ahead and compress the brake piston, get the new brake pads in, get this thing all thrown back together. All right, the new brake pads and rotor are now installed. Make sure you re-plug in your sensor for the brake pad. You will have to feed it through the back side of the slider, but just slide the bracket out of your way, slide it through, and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and get the tire back on this side, which is the driver's side front, and we're going to go ahead and knock out the passenger side front now. Alright, pressure spring is in on the passenger side front, new brake pads. We can go ahead and put the tire back on and move on to the rear brakes. Alright, once we get the 13 millimeter bolt out of the bracket, which I used a 13 millimeter ratchet wrench. All the tools and parts that I use in today's video will be put in the video description down below to help you get done with this repair easy as well without breaking the bank. All right, so we move this away and you see that piston. That means that you need a brake rewind kit, which we have one. We got it in from Orion Motor Tech, which I will put the link to this kit in the video description down below as well. And this rewind kit is going to make our job so much easier because this kit has everything in it. So we're going to go ahead and set up the brake rewind kit and go ahead and get this caliper compressed so we can go ahead and put the new brake pads on.
Once you find the correct attachment for your brake rewind kit, remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, compress the piston and install your new brake pads. You have just saved yourself hundreds of dollars on your 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, keep on wrenching.